Alright, so welcome back to another market review. So I'll be going over my thoughts on today. Today I didn't take any trade, although the bias for today was correct. We have no news on Monday, today, 26th, so I'll start looking for opportunities at around 9 in the morning, EST. Here on the daily, I know we still have this previous month high SMT intact, but all of last week, my idea was to be bullish. And why? Is because we had this gap that is also coinciding with the past week's new week opening gap, and we've just been always disrespecting it, and we haven't seen any pushback from it. And price has been really bullish, so it's kind of safer to stay on that momentum side. So especially how we're after today, of course, with this huge candle, I'm expecting probably NQ to invalidate previous month high. But on the daily at least, I was leaning a bit more bullish. Then when I dropped to, we didn't have any previous week high or low SMT at the start of the session. On the 90-minute chart, however, we can see that this is, I'll highlight NQ for now, but this was last week's new week opening gap, and you can see that we just kind of pushed through it, consolidated, push through, consolidated, push, just finding market finding value past this level, and we were not rejecting from it. So since we're disrespecting this new week opening gap and just pushing past it and staying above it, really, I would expect continued higher prices. So today we opened up and we had a little new week opening gap right here. I'll just take this out and put this one. We had a new week opening gap here for this week that we opened up. And we also created a previous day low SMT. So if you see, it's a hidden SMT. It's a body-to-body SMT in which NQ's body never took out previous daily low, never closed below, while ES and YM did. They both closed below previous day low. And then you can see that we have that previous day low SMT, and also we inverted this new week opening gap and found support off it, leading right to 9 in the morning. So at the start of the session, I was looking for longs, looking for continued higher prices. And we had a previous day low SMT, so the only thing I wanted to see was a previous session low SMT or a previous 90-minute low SMT to get in on the idea. Unfortunately, we didn't have a previous session low, nor did we have a previous 90-minute low. At 9 in the morning, around here, this candle, we just opened and just shot up and just have kept grinding up higher since. So the bias today was correct. We just there was no model on the lows to take advantage of and to capitalize on this move higher. So yeah, that was about it for today. Now with this move higher though, we've created this new range here on the 90-minute. Here we've created this new range because we closed above this high, and we also have now a previous, as of right now we do have a previous day high SMT because YM hasn't taken previous day high, and also we have a previous week high SMT that we have now created with this move higher of Monday. I'm still expecting this to be a bullish week, but this framework could lead us to see some kind of like short-term retracement of this move. So yeah, now with this previous week high SMT and this previous day high SMT going into tomorrow, probably could see some lower prices and retrace into probably this gap. But yeah, I mean, that's all, hearsay, so we'll have to see what tomorrow brings. But for now, that was it for the day. The analysis was on point. The market moved in the direction I was expecting. Just it kind of, the only way we could have capitalized it if you just bought at 9:30 open, but unfortunately there wasn't any SMTs on the lows for me to get in on. But that's fine. That's just how it is sometimes. So I'll just keep following the rules, keep following the plan, and then there'll be some better opportunities ahead. So that's about it. All right, see ya.